I'm going to show you how to prepare a salmon pasta salad. This is perfect as a quick little snack, a light lunch, or it could even be an evening meal. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take our macaroni and put it into a pot of boiling water. We've chosen to use macaroni, wholemeal macaroni. You can choose to use any pasta you choose. I would recommend though using pieces of pasta as opposed to long strands, because this dish is designed to eat a piece of pasta with a bit of vegetable and dressing all in one mouthful. Our macaroni is going to take about 6 or 7 minutes in a pot of boiling water. So while that's happening, we're going to get our vegetables ready. So I've got a pan over here on a nice high heat. I'm just going to add in a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And to that pan, once it's come up to heat, we're going to add in our broccoli. Now I've got a whole half of broccoli head here, which I'm literally just going to add in as it is, face side down, okay, the cut side down. I'll wait till it comes up to heat. Then over here, we're also going to basically remove the tops and the tails of our beans. So the top refers to the little part of the bean that has been connected to the bush, whereas the bottom doesn't have that little woody top. So all I want you to do is remove the top there like that and leave the rest intact. Because our macaroni pieces are only very small, we're also going to cut our beans into half. This will make it much easier to manage. Now we're going to add our broccoli into the pan. We should get a nice sizzle. We want it to be nice and hot. Good. That's the way we want that. Sizzling away. Then we're going to add our beans into the pan as well. The aim here is to get a little bit of golden color on our vegetables, which we'll then add with our pasta. I've just tried a piece of our macaroni. It's beautiful and just soft enough, right? So it's going to continue to cook when we take it out of the pot and strain it. So I wanted it when it's al dente. It's got a very, very slight bite to it. I'll strain this off. Now I'm just going to add my macaroni into our mixing bowl with our spinach leaves. And the macaroni is just going to gently wilt the spinach leaves down as well. Let's have a look at our vegetables now. They've been in the pan for about 3 or 4 minutes. We haven't touched them, and you turn them over and they've got this lovely little bit of golden brown on them, which is a great way of adding extra flavour without having to do too much. And the same with our broccoli. That's exactly the way we want it to be. We're going to let them cook for about another minute or two before we combine them with our pasta and our spinach leaves. While our vegetables are finishing to cook on a high heat for another couple of minutes, we're just going to add our yogurt into a mixing bowl. We're going to take some of our parsley leaves here, roll them up into a little ball, just like this, okay, and then run our knife through them. We're going to add this into our yogurt mixture as well, along with a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Going to add that into there. The extra virgin olive oil helps kind of take the yogurt away from tasting a little bit like breakfast and turns it into a nice kind of thick creamy dressing. By using yogurt, we're not using cream, which is full of a lot more saturated fat in comparison. Greek yogurt has a lovely creaminess and still is incredibly nutritious. Our yogurt parsley dressing is all ready. I'm going to take my broccoli out of the pan, which is now got this lovely golden brown on it. It looks beautiful. Our beans are ready. I'm going to add these straight in with our pasta. Again, they're just going to wilt down those spinach leaves a little bit, which is a good thing. Lovely. Okay, now with our broccoli, I'm just going to chop these little florets into pieces, just like this. You can see that by pan frying it here, we've got this lovely texture and color on the outside, but it has also maintained this lovely bright green color as well. Add that into our pan as well, into our bowl, I should say. Now we're going to take our dressing and combine the salad together. Now just flake your salmon over the top of your salad at the last minute. Obviously, if you don't want to use salmon, you could use tuna, up to you. You could even use beans as a vegetarian option as well. So this is the salmon pasta salad. We've chosen to use winter vegetables, green winter veg for this dish. Obviously, if you wanted to do it another time of the year, you could absolutely do that, and you could perhaps use more like corn or tomato for more of a summer-inspired pasta salad. We hope you enjoyed this dish. For more recipes just like this one, check out healthpromotion.com.au.